So stupid. All right. Hey, what's up, Trishona? Yeah. Mm, well, mm, Damn. Okay. Yeah, I'm probably just gonna start doing that from now on. I'll start doing that. Yeah, me too. I was like, dude, where the hell did that come from? That was such an unnecessary push. I was like, damn, where the hell did that come from? Hmm. Yeah, you know what? I might have to flip. I mean, if they find support right here, I'm gonna have to close this out and flip. The Bears got to hold this shit. If they don't, then you're gonna have to flip. They got to hold. Bears got to hold. Yeah, they got to push right here. I know it killed the Nasdaq to do that. It killed her to do that. Hmm. Probably take off one more. Probably take off one more piece. I'm gonna take off one more piece right there. All right. I can deal with that. I can deal with this. I can deal with this. Yeah, because I mean, guess they could hold this. Hmm. I mean, the question is, I mean, are we going to break 315? Looks like they're kind of holding this little area right here. Are we going to break S3? That's the question. We might get a bounce at S3. Let's see what happens. Keep the tool on me. Hmm. All right. So, I mean, if I'm going to realistically look at this, I mean, where is price really wants to go? Where does it want to go? Looks like S3 is kind of holding up a little bit. I hate to take profits there, and then it drops 20 more points. Which I mean, technically, it is $20. I mean, this is the price of the Nasdaq, so technically, yeah, $20 more, 20 more points. Oh, you know what? That's actually a pretty interesting concept. These numbers does represent, say, dollars. So I mean, it would be correct to say $20 more, and but we call it points. I wonder if using the term points kind of turns this into a game and desensitize us from the fact that this is actually price. Mm. So $20 more, huh? That was one of those interesting finds because I thought I had to correct myself. I was like, why did I say $20 more? Technically, yeah, that's right. It is $20 more. Oh, all right. All right. Don't do it to me, Nasdaq. Don't you dare do it. Yeah, of course she's gonna do it. I'm trying to be great here, and you're trying to bounce. Uh, hmm. Let me look at this real quick. I did get the S3. We did run S3 a little bit, but we still got the S3. This could bounce here. Oh, is it? You know, I mean, I look at gold and it's like, man, I do got to get back into because I mean, it's not like we did not make money on gold. I just don't like how it oh shit. Oh my god. Okay. Damn it. Hmm. I just don't like how it moves. That's it. I just don't like how it moves. It's just too slow. But I think you're right though. Trading it at nighttime is probably like the best time to trade gold. I mean, if you're going to trade overnight, gold is probably the best instrument to trade. All right, man. I'm gonna trail one of these, man. I'm gonna trail one because I don't want it to come back on me. No, I wanted to hit my target, obviously, but I don't want this thing to run all the way back on me. There we go. There. Come on, NQ. Come on. No, that's not fair. That's not fair. Come on. You touch my damn limit. Feel that shit. Feel it. Thank you. God damn. How nasty do you have to be to do some shit like that? She literally touched it and she did not feel it. All right. After this trade, I'm gonna have to go into the sim, guys. I can't make more than $4,200. All right. So I'm going to the sim. I literally like it's a good problem to have. I hate and love being able to say this. I've passed all of my accounts. I don't have nothing to trade. I do have my funded accounts, but like I said, I trade those completely different. I set limits. I don't actively trade on those accounts. And with that strategy, I've gotten 5 payouts in, and there's going to be more to come. I'm already at my 5th payout. Yesterday was my 5th payout this year. So, like I said, I trade those totally different. I would hate trading it the way that I trade these evals and then having a bad day and then all that work is gone. And then plus you have to be consistent. So having the market come to you, having a set limit and a set stop, and just letting the market play out without any interaction or intervention is, I find, is probably the best way to trade when you get into the funded side. I mean, obviously everybody's different, but I don't actively trade those accounts. All right, so I'm gonna have to get into the sim. Hmm. I mean, the question is, I mean, will the market, I mean, is the market going to hold up here? That's the question. You got to follow the rules, man. Follow the rules. Follow the rules. Follow the rules. Will the market hold up here or will the market fold? All right. All right. So let's see if the market's going to hold or if it's going to fold here. Amen. Mm, yeah. Fine. Damn, dude, like shit. Okay. So the question is, are we gonna have another day like yesterday? Where we don't get a bounce or anything at support or nothing. We just get the market going in a straight line down. Mm-mm. All right, so the 9 o'clock algo's coming. I can't make more than $1,000 in this account. I mean, it's all right, baby. You can hit that. Okay, of course she's not. Shit. Shit. Okay, that's fine. All right. I'll take that, man. I'll take that. That's better than that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. I'll take that. Fuck. Mm. No, that's fine. I'll just trade. No, that's fine. I'm not supposed. I made $1,200 by mistake. You can't make this up, man. You can't make it up, man. Okay, I was about to say, man, you can't make this crap up. When you're trying to lose money, that's when you freaking make it. Oh my God. Oh my, come on. Uh, 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 oh, oh. When when you're trying to make it, that's oh. Oh. Oh man. Oh. Oh. Hmm. Oh man. Now I need to lose $700. Oh man. All right. So if the market is going to go short, oh man, I mean, they're getting along. Oh man. Uh. All right. So is the market going short? Okay. So let me see if I can. Okay. Let's see if I can. Hmm. Okay. I mean, is the market going down or is it going up? Okay. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. All right. I'm trying to lose money here. Mm, okay. So the market is obviously going short. So let me try to go long then. But then it looks like it's gonna freaking bounce too. So I mean, I'll try a long here. I'll try it. Come on. Oh, come on, Nasdaq. I need to lose about $1,000. So man. Mm, damn. Oh, okay. I don't know how to feel about this, guys. I really don't. I really don't know how to feel about this. I'm actively trying to lose money and I'm making more of it. I might need to lose a little bit more. All right, I just need to lose $200 more. Oh my God. Okay. Yeah, this is like the annoying part of the consistency rule crap, man. Yeah, I mean with Blue Sky, you don't have to quote unquote lose the money, but they just make you trade the extra days, and honestly, I don't feel like dealing with that. I just needed $100 more. Just hit that damn stop. Damn. All right. I just needed to hit my stop. That's it. I think I got the math right. Um, man. All right. I mean, I don't think I got my stop in an area where I don't think so. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's gonna pump. Oh my God. I just saw it. Um, damn. Damn. Come on, Bears. Damn. Why do y'all suck when I need you? Now I need y'all, and y'all just suck. Damn. Okay. Just need $1,000. Oh my God. All right, man. You know what, man? All right, so I'm just gonna hit my stop or my target. Then I'll just trade the extra days. Then fine. I'm not gonna play this game. Um, I'm not gonna play this game. I'll just trade the extra days then. I guess it's one of those good problems to have, right? One of them good problems to have. When you want to lose, you just can't because you're so wired to win. Fine. Whatever, dude. Fine. Whatever. Mm. Fine. Whatever. Fine. Whatever, man. I can't even lose money. What the fuck? Ugh. Mm. Wow. Fine. All right. I'm done. I'm not gonna play this game with the market because I'll play that game like I was doing it yesterday. I'll make a mistake, I'll lose too much, and then I'm trying to get my P&L back. I'll just make the extra money. I don't want to. Fine. Whatever, dude. Fine. Whatever. And just get out the account, man. Just get out the account. Just get out. Just get out the account. Mm. Just get out the account, man. Just get out. Or you make a mistake. And just take the extra day. Take the extra day before you make a mistake. Mm. Mm. Let me do this before. Let me do this before. Let me make sure that all the orders are canceled. Make sure all the orders are canceled. I'm gonna go in the sim. I'm just gonna trade in the sim. Mm. Okay. All right, Brave. Mm. All right, so let's get back to the. Yeah, it just seems like I can't lose trades, man. When I want to lose them, apparently. Hell, me and Smith was talking about that last night. I was like, dude, what the hell, man? What the hell? What the hell, man? What the hell? When you want to lose. Wow. Oh man, that is so funny. And watch it hits my stop where I had it. Mm, whatever. Like I said, I'm not going to play this game with the Nasdaq. She could hit my stop, but she chose to do what she did. So she chose to do what she did, and I'll just take that as a plus. They're just going to give me some extra drawdown. If I make a mistake, uh, so I'm just going to use it as extra drawdown. That's it. All right. Wow. Nice one, NQ. Nice one. Nice. 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 She couldn't have done that, huh? She couldn't have done that. She needed to do all that. She couldn't have done that. Whatever, dude. The Nasdaq is just nasty. That's all she is. She is just nasty. All right. She is nasty. Nasty, 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 nasty. All right. So I may go long here. I think this is a good area to go long. We ran. I think this is a good area to go. Hmm. ES is actually in a good area to go long too. ES is in a good area to go long. Okay. The Nasdaq and the ES is in a good area to go long, but I'm gonna take this long on the ES. I'm gonna take it on the ES. Probably get one of this to go with the highs because I think if let me see, was this one of my NA meeting levels? Shit, I didn't even put it down for the ES. Apparently, great area for the ES to go long. Uh, Shit, we damn near got a perfect entry on her. Damn near perfect entry. All right. So we did get a pop from this area. Let's see if the Bulls can follow through on this. We'll see. See if they follow through. I kind of want to put, kind of retesting this range a little bit. Yeah, I think like right there is probably like good right there. Let's look at the NQ bounced. The NQ is still playing around a little bit, but I didn't finish my homework from last night. I'm just tripping. All right, so let me do this real quick. Insert row above. So February 24th, 2025. Yesterday was definitely a trend day, a bearish trend day at that for the ES. So the levels that we was looking for on the ES last night was 620 and 615. 620 and 615. Damn, 615 on the dot. $6.15 on the dot. All right, so $6.15. Oops. $6.15 and $6.20. Amy was looking for $6.25 and $6.30 for the highs. And for the bearish thesis, we was looking for 6,000 and 595. Shit. I mean, you caught the. So as soon as the market opened, it pushed right back to 9 on the dot. We caught the top and the bottom of the pre-market. Got stopped out. We caught the top and the bottom on the pre-market on the ES. So 980, 59. 0, 5980 and 5975. 980. All right, so 980 was right here. That was not a. So 980 last night. We got a big move from 980. A big move from 980 on ES. Oh, so we was perfect on ES last night. We caught the pre-market open. We caught the top. We caught this. And yeah, that was all the levels. So ES was 100% yesterday on the NA meetings yesterday. It was 100%. Let's look at the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq was all right. So 520 and 530. Obviously we didn't get to 520 or 530 yesterday, but the 360, 370 last night. So we did get a bounce at about 365. Well, I guess technically it didn't hit, so I guess we can't count it. 360. And then when it did finally hit 360, unfortunately, I was a losing trade, but I guess it front ran that level. And 340. 340 was the next level. And at least you got your money back with this one. 340 minus 27. Would I still be in this? No, I would have got stopped out. Would have got stopped out. But all right. So apparently that was not a good area to go along on the ES. Well, shit, good thing I didn't do that. Because I would have got stopped out. I got stopped out. Hold on. Okay. All right. I'm probably gonna have to I mean, you're gonna learn, man. You're gonna learn that. Yeah, man. Yeah. I should have it, but should have this. Shit, that was like a 50-point move from right there. I mean, that's what that would mean, right? I would do it that way. All right. All right. I think in this market, I think I need to reduce my size and kind of widen out my stop because that's crazy. That is crazy. Mm, that was crazy. And she's really trying to go after that stop. And she's really trying to go after it. She wants that stop. Like she really wants it. She really wants that damn stop. She keeps trying to come back for it. That's crazy. She was really trying to go after that stop. And she really wants that stop. Like she was like, no, I want that stop. Damn. Get that. Mm. I mean, honestly, I probably have to flip here. If they break this thing's gonna we're gonna see a stop run here. Because I don't know what it is about this damn screen, but and why what's up with all the lagging and stuff, but on my other screen, I'm not getting none of this lag. So I don't know what it is, what I have on this screen, why it's doing this. But look at that, dude. Like, look at that. Nasdaq, you're very nasty. Look at that. Yeah, I don't know just about this screen. So I might probably have to manage the position on another chart on another screen. All right, so the bulls are aggressively buying here, but the bears are also aggressively selling it. Dude, dude, what the hell? I guess he just said bump it. If no one's not gonna support, he's just gonna hit him with ass and stuff. Where you got your limit at? Oh, well, I guess the real question is, are you going long or are you going short? Because the market is going long, regardless of how it feels. It is definitely about to go long. Well, actually, but that was so nasty. But the Nasdaq is nasty, man. She is so nasty. Look at that. Look at that. Mind you, she stopped me. Like, dude, she stopped. She came back and stopped me out. I mean, if I wasn't so confident in this long, I would have felt some way about that. She came back and stopped me out because she didn't want me to be a part of this, as if I didn't already make a sacrifice already. Shit, you took my damn competition account. I think that's a good enough sacrifice. Shit, it barely had a chance. Were you able to get into it finally, or are you chasing it? Man, she's so nasty, dude. Man, she's nasty. I got to do a market order. Yeah, I mean, where are you targeting? I think going back up to probably like 120. A good target would be this high right here, but we probably going back up to 120. Not like, oh shit. I mean, it's not like we got a lot of volume or anything. I mean, we got 1 million contracts in the Nasdaq, about 345,000 in the full size mini. Man. All right, so let's see if we can get like another one. Yeah, I'm not playing this game. Woke up looking for the broccoli hot key. Blueprint is by me. All right. I mean, shit. was definitely tough, but we got it back. It was definitely tough, but we definitely got it back. All right. So let's see. I mean, we'll probably get a pullback back into this range. And I think the bulls are going to take over. I highly doubt that they slice through all that liquidity right there. I highly doubt it. So I have to figure this out. What the hell is it about this screen? What's going on with this screen? I mean, is it Top Step X? What is it about this screen right here? That this chart right here is lags, but my other charts aren't doing this. So it has to be something that's on this screen. Yeah, I guess it's probably Top Step X, all this data that it's pulling on this screen, I guess. But it should be able to handle it. Yeah, the Nasdaq is nasty as hell, dude. Targeting 141. Yeah, that's a good target. So looking like that 120 target so far without a pullback, that would have been a good target right there. 120. I think we got to 123. So we get this pullback right now. Let's see if she'll fill my limits. She probably won't. Ooh. The blueprint is by me. All right, so far so good with this add-on. Got the first target hit. Perfect add-on entry. Perfect, perfect, perfect. You barely took any drawdown with that entry. All right, so let's see if we can get this second target hit. Get some of these higher targets. Like, Bears. Y'all had y'all chance. Now the Bears are just being greedy. The Bears are being super greedy now. When the market is going back and forth, the market's easy. When the market is trading in a straight line, shit, that's when hope and prayer comes in and it becomes a strategy. It's like, all right, so I'm about to get that third target hit. About to get that add-on target hit as well. That second target and that add-on target. Yeah, I trade Bitcoin, but I haven't been trading it because I wanted to focus on the Nasdaq and the ES. In my opinion, Bitcoin is kind of easy to trade. And I'm talking about Bitcoin futures, not the crypto. Oh shit. God damn. Damn. I just looked at Bitcoin. Damn. This number. Damn. 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 Hey, good morning, man. Moxie. Long time no see. Yeah, Bitcoin has definitely is a super bear market. I love Bitcoin. Like I love trading Bitcoin futures. I love it. I just hate the fact that every time I look at it, it's not set up yet. But hey, my man, Moxie, how's it been? How's trading going? How you been finding the time to trade? I know you said that you've been busy and that you've been working a lot. How's trading going? Are you here? Yeah, man, Moxie's been here since the beginning. She's seen the growth. She's seen the growth. I'll definitely say that I've done a lot of growing. That's why I love trading, and sometimes I can just hate the Nasdaq because she's nasty. But um, yeah, man, trading kind of it forces you to grow up, man. It forces you to grow up. It forces you to make decisions. Like you can't blame nobody. Like the results you get in trading is yours and yours alone. You can't blame nobody except yourself. And once that self accountability kicks in, that's when you finally, finally move from becoming a victim or being a victim to actually getting up and doing something. Or you can just stay liquidity for the market. I mean, the choice is yours. The choice is definitely yours. Mm. All right. So let's see. I mean, does this thing wants to test that again? I mean, we did get a rejection at that level. I mean, we did get a rejection there. I mean, the question is, does the market want to does it not want to go higher? I mean, the bears did sell the retest here. Hold on. Yeah, the bears did sell the retest. We'll see if they're going to actually reject it here. I mean, this is where you got that break of structure at right here. That's your break of structure. And this is them selling the retest. The question is, will this range hold? Which I think it will, because you got this liquidity down here. You got this little range right here. You got this little range right here. And that tells me that if price does tap into this range, we could see a bounce. I highly doubt that we see price run through that, but if it does run through it though, if it does run through it, that's going to be a sell, that's going to be a stop run. Definitely a stop run. So we'll see what the bulls do here. Obviously the market is no longer bullish, it's bearish now. Now the bears are out to play. So we'll see if the bulls going to hold this. If not, I mean, we're still positive though. I mean, we're still positive if it does come back and stop me out. We're still positive. It's just going to suck that we didn't get our runner targets hit. Yeah, definitely. So it might bounce first before hitting it down. Took your short and ram? Yeah. Yeah. He said he wants 510. Are you talking about it wants to go back up to 510? Oh, on the QQQ. Okay. Okay. All right. On the QQQ. You know, honestly, I don't look at the options. I mean, I should. I should look at it. I just never do. All right. So looks, I mean, the Bulls did hold this area. They did hold it, but I mean, it's not like I don't got a cheat code. It's like kind of like what Matt Moxie said before. I like to make trading a little bit challenging because it's just too easy. It's just kind of too easy. It's not like I don't got the cheat code here. I mean, the market is obviously in a bearish environment. We got the CFTC data. We got the gamma levels for SPY and QQQ. I got the dark pools right here that's saying that, you know, the market wants lower, but actually we might see a bounce here. We may see one coming soon. I mean, we got the option flow or mm, yeah, but for whatever reason, I don't want to look at this. Okay. I mean, he got the call sweep, so obviously the Bulls want it. The Bulls want it. I mean, you never seen that many calls. Like there are sweeping calls, super sweeping them. All right, so we got that target here. We got one more target. I mean, shit, we're super positive today.
Order filled.
What the fuck? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Order filled.
Anyway, like we're super positive today. We made too much money in the funded account. I made the $700 to be consistent in my other funded account this morning, setting the limit. So I'm happy about that. I mean, we did take that loss on ES. I can't believe ES did that shit to me. I mean, she was at a good area, but she just fell through, unfortunately. And I'm pretty sure now she'll probably find support here. Probably find support here right now. And that's why I just don't like trading the ES. I don't like it. I don't like trading the ES. I only follow the ES because there's ES traders that love trading. I just hate her. She's too slow. You're not going to be up $1,200 on one contract with the ES, unfortunately, unless you're catching 20 points. Actually, you need more than 20 points. On one contract, $1,200. But I mean, if you love size, if you like trading with size, the ES is obviously because I mean, 10 points with size, a 10 lot with 10 points, that's 5K. And she easily gets to 5K. Easily. Or she easily gets to 10 points. She ranges in a 10-point range. So, but then you have to make sure that your entries are perfect and your stops are a little bit more tight. You need like a 2 to 3 point stop on ES if you're going to trade size, because it can get nasty. She can get real nasty if you don't manage your risk properly on her. But with one contract, I mean, shit, there is so much room for error. And that's the only reason why I trade her on my funded accounts, because I can be down 11 points and only be down $500. I mean, you can't beat that. With the Nasdaq shit, all it takes is 27 points, and you know she sneezes 27 points. So, hey, what software are you looking at to see that, Matt Moxie? What software are you using? Are you using this one or are you using something else? Because I know there's like maybe like a few. Yeah, 510. Are you using black box stocks or are you using what's that other one called? Damn, what's it called? Anyway, I forgot what the other one was called. But yeah, 510. If Trump does come out with if we do get those 5,000, if that 5,000 stimulus, I might just put $1,500 in a option account. Why not? Because I mean, if you bought 510 calls and you sold them, I mean, shit, it's already at 515. The volatility right now at that bounce. I mean, shit, you've already probably 100 extra or not 100% your money right here. And if you get a full retracement back all the way up to 520, oh, trading ticks. Okay. Yeah. For those that are unaware, the option market is definitely the influence for the futures market. Definitely. So if you're trading the Nasdaq and you're trading ES, you need to be also looking at SPY and you also need to be looking at the Qs. And vice versa. Option and stock traders, they reference the Nasdaq and the ES. ES or future traders reference SPY and Qs. It's like a never ending circle. The gamma levels on these instruments are very important. It does tell you what direction that you should trade in. I use black box stocks as $100 a month, and I only use it for the gamma level. And I do look at the dark pools. The dark pools are very important. It allows me to know if the institutions are buying or if they're selling at a level. But because I like to make things challenging, I don't reference that for whatever reason. Well, that's the reason I don't reference that. But that's something that we're going to start doing every day. I'm going to make it a point to do that every day. Turn it into a habit, just referencing the gamma levels so we know which side of the market that we should be trading on. I mean, shut up. I gotta clean out all these little gambling habits that I have. It's the right thing to do. I was trying to justify why I don't show it, but nah, there's no justification. I'm just gambling. It's not gambling. It's I don't want to rely on it, if that makes sense. I don't want to rely on it. I want to be able to look at the charts and see it for myself. But it becomes gambling when I actually have a tool that does that for me and all I have to do is reference it. So that's going to be something that we start the stream with every day, is just looking at the gamma levels and stuff like that. Because I'm paying for it, but I don't even use it, which is like the craziest thing. Okay. So, I mean, if they find support here, I mean, if they hold this, I'm going to add to this. If they hold this, I'm adding. If they hold this, I'm adding. I kind of want to get closer to the bottom of this range right here. I want to get closer. But I mean, if this thing pops, I mean, I'll just take the drawdown. Okay. All right. So I'm in. Was able to add into this another perfect entry. Let's see. Well, it's not perfect yet. I ain't hit a target yet. But I think this is a decent entry. Maybe. Hopefully. Okay, never mind. It was not a perfect entry. Never mind. All right. I doubt that it goes all the way back down here unless it does. I doubt that. Okay, well, maybe it does. But then at the same time, you gotta remember that this is a bear's market now. It's no longer a bull market. It's a bear's market. So maybe that's what yeah, it's no longer a bear's market, a bull's market. It's no longer a bull's. Obvious that the Bears are in control. 166. 166. I'm gonna try to get into that long real quick. That retest of that area. All right, so let's see if they hold this. I mean, all right, so let's see if they hold this range right here. Actually, I might just go down. You know what? I might actually start. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see what happens. What I really want to start doing is probably going back to one contract. Like starting the position off of one contract with a 27-point stop, because that 18-point stop is kind of tight and it kind of requires a perfect entry. But if I can get into it at a good spot, then that 18-point stop is perfect. But I prefer to trade with a 27-point stop, but I'm not going to do that with 3 mini contracts. It allows me to stay in trades a little bit longer without getting ticked out. All right. So this will be the last trade I take. Mm, okay. All right. Well, I gave back all my gains and I lost some. All right. I mean, that's going to be something that's going to be challenging to get used to, but we're going to get through it. Hmm. Now we're gonna have to start thinking bearish. So the bears are in control. I mean, let's look at this. Let's look at this, man. Because I mean, obviously, it is broken through that range that we talked about last night. Oh shit! It's actually wow. Okay. Huh? So we're at the bottom of this range. So the bulls are gonna have to hold this. Are we gonna see a stop run? The bulls are gonna have to hold this. Because we broke through this range last night. So we broke through this one. Wow, I can't believe that, dude. I can't. Huh. So if y'all guys were with me last night, there was a wall. There was literally a wall at 445. And it's just because the bulls couldn't get above this range right here. They could not get above it. And because they weren't able to get above it, we literally had the market literally stop at this level right here. So now the bulls are definitely in a position right now. They're definitely in a position. This is a higher time frame chart. So out of the bulls, they step up here. It's gonna, you know what? Make sure I'm still in the sim. Shit, either the bulls step up or they're gonna have to go home. I'm gonna bet that they're gonna step up here. I'm gonna bet that they step up here. Yeah, okay, so it's definitely that screen. Dude. 1750. And let's see if we can get a move outside this range because the bulls are definitely gonna try to hold this shit. They're definitely gonna try. They're definitely gonna try to hold this range. Let's see if we can capitalize on this a little bit because shit, if they break it, I'm flipping short. This is definitely going to be a stop run underneath this range. So I would have this range marked out on your chart. The bottom of this range is at 21. I would round that up to 2140. 2140. And I would round this to 65. All right, there goes that first target right there. Oh, I'm on the MNQ. Oh man. Oh, man. Well, just pretend. Put an extra zero at the end of this. Just pretend. Just pretend. Okay. I was like, why the hell I'm only up $100? Ask for me. No shout outs to anybody that this is their maximum daily profit, but for me, no. Yeah, it was last night, Grift and Trade. Yeah, that wall was freaking nasty. I got out of that trade that I was in because I was like, dude, I'm going to bed. I was going to be mad if it did pump up. Actually, I did wake up last night and was like, man, that shit probably pumped up and you chickened out. I'm not going to sit here and lie and say that I was happy that it dropped. Uh, Nothing against anybody that was in that thing long, but I was like, shit. If that shit was long, that would have pissed me off. It's like, man, you should have just stayed in it. It's around so 165, 21 165, and 2140. And this range is going all the way back. Yeah, we talked about this last night when we was looking for support. This range, I think, is all the way back from December, I think. December, yep. Oh, November. Shit, November. This is the range that the market just found itself in. So I'm gonna actually put this level right here. I'm gonna put this level right here because I'm gonna put this level 980. 980. Project this out into the future, 980. As a potential pivot point. And then this little low right here, I'm going to mark this as a low. What is it, 962? I'll probably put like 960, 965 or something like that. Nah, it's 962. Keep it at 962. So I'm trying to be cute. All right. February. Okay. All right. So we'll see if this little range right here. Actually, let me just draw a range. Let me just draw a range right here. And 980 and 962. Turn that into this dash dot. Okay, like February. Don't ever let nobody tell you that yesterday's data is not significant for today. This range happened all the way last year in November. And the bulls somehow, some way found support here. Don't ever let nobody tell you that shit. All right. Somehow, some way, this range all the way from November made an influence on the market today. This range right here is all the way back in November too. This range, and you can see how the market has been rotating around this range. Yeah, this is all the way from January. Let me take that back, from January. But I'm pretty sure it goes all the way back. It don't matter. It don't matter. All right. So just make sure you have that range marked out on your charts. I got this little range right here. So, if anything, we'll probably see. Okay, so let's see. I mean, if they can find support above 166, because if they find support above it, then what's really stopping it from going back up to 300? I don't think there's really nothing. But if we do see this thing collapse here, then we do see this thing collapse here. Yeah, well, that's not right. I mean, technically. Okay. I mean, that's good enough. All right. So we got this resistance trend line right here. Got the resistance trend line. Okay. So the Bears, the Bears definitely got, or I'm sorry, the Bulls definitely got some work to do. They got triangle resistance right now that they have to overcome. They got triangle resistance, chart geometry, triangle resistance. You got this resistance trend line right here, and you got this line of resistance right here. So eventually, either the Bulls are going to fail or we're going to see them. All right, so you just got this area right here, this amount of space right here for the Bulls to kind of work. But if they do fail here, if we do see it, I mean, we're going to see a stop run. So the question is, does the Bears have, or does the Bulls have enough space to operate right now? If not, if they don't overcome it, then we're going to see a stop run here. And we're going to go lower. I mean, you don't want that. All right, so let's look at what ES is doing. ES is definitely a good filter. I mean, ES also found support at this range. But okay, so we could be going lower here. We'll see. We could be going lower because unlike the Nasdaq, the ES doesn't necessarily lie about what it's going to do. Doesn't lie about what it's going to do. The ES makes measured moves. Hmm. All right, so 930-ish around there. I mean, let's look at the ES. All right, so 930-ish. I mean, we already got the double bottom here, and then we got that push. All right, so 918 is around the corner. And switch this back to the color that we got. designated for support. All right. We'll see. So it looks like so far so good. The Bulls are holding it up. I mean, the Bulls got no choice but to defend this area, or we're seeing a stop run. I mean, there's no ifs, ands, or buts about this. That's kind of what they have to do here. If you are in this long, though, if you are in this long, just make sure that you're watching out for 120, because you can see that this is where we got the break, the failed breakout, and we got the breaker structure down. So there's highly likely that there's going to be bears resting and waiting at that level to knock it down. So I would kind of front run 120 a little bit, or trail. Is your account, you figure it out, or you manage it how you want to manage it. But I mean, we could see a push past this level. We could, but I do expect for bears to be here. And then we also got the 200 EMA also right here as well. So just take a majority of your position off right there. That'll be my recommendation if the Bulls hold this right here. If they hold. Mm. I don't want to. 512, 520. Qs. But the same way that we know with bears, and if it's a short, I mean, it's the same way for the Bulls. We know what a long looks like, and this ain't no long. It looks like, I mean, we could see a pop, but I mean, I highly doubt this thing continues, especially with this failed breakout, especially with that failed breakout right there. That's not bullish. What we will need to see, like if the Bulls are able to overcome this level, then we would need to see a stop run. We need to see bears getting stopped out of this area, and we need to see that pullback and they hold, and we need to see a bullish engulfing in candle right there, and then a follow-up candle opening right at the highs. That's what you would need to see if you want to go long above that level. Anything other than that would be a trap. Trishana says that she's in long at 650. Are you already out of the trade, or where are you targeting? I mean, your position was up 30 points so far. Are you out of the trade already? You was in for 30 points. But I was so targeting this, so. Ugh. I can't even stand to watch that. I can't stand that. All right, I can look at that though. All right. So like for the last 5 minutes, we'll manage this trade right here. I got my stop where I wanted it to be at. Probably right there. Because underneath this level right here is a stop run for sure. They running stops underneath that level. All right, so tomorrow we have the quote unquote the market's darling. She's not the market's darling anymore. We'll talk about this the last 5 minutes of the stream. Nvidia is no longer the market's darling, in my opinion. After I forgot what that thing called, DeepSeek. I mean, ChatGPT had to even adjust its prices and to restructure its business model because of it. Because you have something that's not, well, quote unquote, in the minds of people, is that it's more efficient. And I'm already starting to see videos of people using DeepSeek a part of their projects, and they're putting their results on YouTube. So you can't sell water if water is free. I mean, water is sold every day, but they're not selling quote unquote water. They're selling the purity of the water. They're selling that's in a plastic bottle. Our water is encased in glass. This is what we did to our water. And that's exactly what ChatGPT has to do. It's, yeah, even though it's the same thing, but we're doing the same thing differently. If you have a premium account with X, Grok is basically ChatGPT. I mean, it's all doing the same thing. All that stuff is doing the same thing. So with DeepSeek and it being free and open source, that definitely has changed the game. You don't necessarily need the processing power of a server farm to do what apparently DeepSeek is doing. And so, unfortunately for NVIDIA shareholders, they're taking a hit right now. I mean, obviously, we could see a reversal. Obviously, we could see it. I'm not saying that we can't. A good area that I'm looking at is like 120, 123-ish. Yeah, 123. It's a good area. It's not financial advice or anything. Let's actually look at let's look at this, and then we'll end the stream. Okay, NVIDIA. Let's see where the gamma levels are. All right, so yeah, it looks like people are already buying around 124, 123-ish. I mean, I'm thinking that the market is going to want to come down a little bit more, maybe down to 110. Maybe down to 110. But I won't be surprised at a 120 bounce, because that's where the support is right now. And you can look at the charts. I mean, look at this. Before you couldn't even sell Nvidia off. Look at this. You got the market gapping down on Nvidia. You couldn't get the Nvidia to do this before. You couldn't even show me a gap down on Nvidia, because as soon as Nvidia dropped, it got bought right back up. But now that investors are no longer interested in buying Nvidia, I mean, it goes to show the market's opinions about it. So we'll see what happens tomorrow after the close. We'll see what happens with tomorrow's price action, because that's definitely going to be interesting, to say the least. And I think that's the only thing that we have to watch out for tomorrow. I think that's the only thing. Nvidia. Yeah, that's the only thing we got to watch out for. But all right, guys, that's it for me today. I'm going to hop in this meeting. As you can see, it does look like the market wants to still protect this area. So if you want to get into this short, you're going to have to wait for a break and hold underneath that. Because right now, the bulls are desperately trying to defend the bottom of this range, because they know that if they fail here, it's going to be devastating for them. Now, we do got this little range right here. I think the range is where we could see a bounce around like 980 and 960. We could see the market kind of bounce here, dead cat bounce, and then re-short right here. You see that stop run? Now, if we kind of do get a dead cat bounce here, I will be looking for bears to come back in and short the bottom of this range. Because now the bulls have failed. The bears are being successful right here. And the stubborn bulls that are still in this, if they get an opportunity to get in to get out at break even, they're definitely going to sell their position. So I would definitely look for a sell the retest opportunity here. And this is the stop run that we're talking about. And this is kind of why it's important to do your homework in terms of knowing where the liquidity is and knowing exactly where to put your stop so you don't get caught in a move down like this. So. Yo, congratulations on that. And yeah, 510 did hit on I'm looking at it right now on this thing right here. Oops. 510 hit to the T. Now, I mean, the question is, what does the bulls do here? We hit 510 on the Qs. Let's see where we at on SPY. And we hit it on SPY too. So the question is, do we go? Shit, do I got money in my option account? I probably don't. No, actually, no, I'm not doing that shit. I'm not doing it. All right. All right, there goes that stop run. There goes the bulls. There goes the bulls. There goes the bulls. And then, I mean, okay, so the ES is coming up to an area of support. We have not tested this area of this breakout. So we could see a bounce here at 918. We could see a bounce. So if the ES is coming into support, the Nasdaq is potentially going into support. Potentially, you got both you got SPY and Qs at support. Do we see a slingshot reversal here? That's the question. Do we see a slingshot reversal here? Huh. Do we see the slingshot reversal here? Mm-hmm. Yep. Mm, mm. But all right, guys. That's all I have for today. We'll definitely come back tonight, and we'll look for more ways to earn some more money. I'm not surprised by any of this. All right. And with that said, peace out, everybody.